Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and we are talking about my new favorite stick vacuum. This is the Maircle S3-PRO and it is a complete game changer. This vacuum has a system of closed system cyclones, so multiple cones, it's all in a closed system, so that's going to give you the greatest amount of suction possible. I'm talking super strong, 23 kPa, that's a ton of suction power, so it's gonna get up absolutely everything. All the debris, all the dust, all the pet hair, all the kid messes, all of that. This little small lightweight vacuum is able to suck everything up, get your home super clean. All with a 400 watt, that's huge, brushless motor. Brushless means that it has fewer parts, so it's going to last longer. And as far as this cyclone closed system goes, that means that it's going to keep everything separated. It's going to make your HEPA filter last longer, so you're going to get a deeper clean, a higher quality clean for longer without any maintenance. This is a fantastic vacuum cleaner, and it's got a lot of creature comforts that you are going to love. First off, it has a battery that lasts for 70 minutes. That is twice as long than almost any other stick vacuum I've ever checked out, and I have checked out quite a few. So if you want the longest battery power on the market, the Maircle S3-PRO is probably it. It's absolutely fantastic. I've never even seen a number that high. Not only does it have that crazy suction power, that incredible motor, the really cool enclosed cyclone system, and an impressive battery life, it also is really convenient, as in it stands up on its own. The charging base is all included, so it takes up less of a footprint in your home. You don't have to worry about either a lot of stick vacuums have a big, clunky charging station that you have to fit somewhere. No one wants that. This is all just what you see is what you get. It all fits right there. It's really convenient and small. So especially if you're in a small space, that is amazing. The other thing I've seen is oftentimes you have a charging station that you have to mount on the wall. Who wants to do that? This comes completely able to charge, stand upright. You don't have to drill holes in your wall. You don't have to do any extra work. It just works. Next thing you're gonna notice is that the brush roll is absolutely fantastic. It is tangle-free, it's top of the line. So especially if you have long hair, if you have pet hair, you know how sometimes that can really mess up your vacuum flow. Not with this. This is completely tangle-free, absolutely incredible brush roll. It also has a really cool green light. So you're gonna notice when you turn this on, there's gonna be a green light and you might think, why? Why is there a green light? Okay, so first off, I don't know if you guys have ever noticed, sometimes you can be vacuuming and you think you got everything. And then you go back through with a flashlight or you flip on another light and you realize, oh man, there was a lot of dust in that corner. There was a lot of dirt over there. I didn't even see it. So a lot of vacuums and a lot of stick vacuums have started to have a white light that shows you and illuminates some more of the dust and dirt that you might be missing. This green light though, it is next level. It is so smart. This is not only gonna show you the dust and dirt that a white light would show you, but it's gonna show you micro dust. So things that you wouldn't even be able to see with a white light, it's going to illuminate and make sure that you get all of that up and you get all of it clean. It's absolutely fantastic. All of this is available with a really smart LED screen that's going to show you exactly how much time you have left to charge, exactly how, like the level of suction you're using, all of those things right on your screen that gives you the best clean possible. Finally, you guys, not only is this an upright stick vacuum, but there are tons of attachments that come with it that allow you to do so many other amazing things. You are going to have your upholstery cleaner, your extender. This is so great for blinds. This is so great for so many different things. You also have your crevice cleaner, absolutely amazing for cleaning those nooks and crannies around the corners, around your baseboards, even in your furniture. This slips up and down, so you can use this more for you know, if it's like a hard corner or you're a soft corner with the brush right here. Extend the length of this. This entire stick vacuum attachment will come off and you can use this as a hand vac all around. Completely amazing. And when you are done cleaning your home after 70 entire minutes of battery, that's insane. I've never even heard of such. It's crazy. All you have to do to clean out the tank is just flip a button and it's going to release straight into your trash can. All the hair, all the dust, all the dirt is going to come out effortlessly. That means that you don't have to get yourself more dirty and you don't have to go through all that gunk and trash that you just cleaned to clean out your vacuum cleaner. This is so smart. It's so intuitive. It has so many amazing attachments. It's got a very powerful motor, very smartly designed system that's going to allow you to have the greatest suction power. That fantastic green light, 70 minutes of battery power. I cannot think of a better, amazing stick vacuum. This is the Maircle S3-PRO. I absolutely love it, and I know you guys are gonna love it too.